So yeah, basically we're left with some damage from fungus. I suspect this to be large patch, but I'm not a scientist, so it's kind of hard to determine really. It's definitely not dollar spot. The timing and the looks of it reminds me of large patch. I got some over here as well. Now I will show you what I know pretty much for a fact to be spring dead spot, and this is spring dead spot, and it's even worse up here. Now you could prevent this in the fall if you put a application of fungicide around September here in Georgia. It's about a month before it goes dormant. You can do 2 rounds of that, and they say that will help prevent it. This is more spring dead spot, but I put sand in it, so it kind of sticks out like a sore thumb. But at this point, you're left with the damage. All you can do is let it grow out, or you could plug it or splice in like pieces of sod. But I think I'm just going to let it grow out. I'm going to hold off on the growth regulator and just let this grow for about a month and see if we can recuperate from that. Hopefully it'll look a lot better. But we got the pine straw and the annual beds done. So overall, the property looks good. The mower's running great. I did a lot of maintenance and replaced bearings and the bed knife and all kinds of different things on this. So it's in tip-top condition. The grass, on the other hand, is just not doing so hot. But I'm hoping that it will recover and end up looking good. I'm thinking it's going to be like June, July when it really starts to grow good. It's just now coming out of dormancy. So the backyard, this year I cut it kind of like a putting green, just for something else to mow, because I was only real mowing the front and the side. So this is just something else to fool around with. It's the same height as the front, which is at 400 right now, 0.400. I've done a lot of research and read a lot of UGA's papers on turf grass management. And with this being TIF 419 or TIFway 419, they say not to cut this below 1/2 inch. So I know that we all like to mow as low as possible, but I'm wondering if that's part of the fungus problem. It's stressing the grass too much. Once again, this is barely coming out of dormancy now. But just some extra real mowing for back here. I'm not really making this a putting green per se. It's not going to be near the flat enough or the quality or even short enough to actually putt on. It's just kind of like the shape of one, where you have like the collar around it, like a putting green on a golf course. But it's just something else to mow with a real mower or like test products out on. So I'll be filming and posting hopefully weekly, and we'll see what the progress is each week, and hopefully it recovers quickly and we get this lawn back in shape. Thanks. I want to show you guys something cool that I saw at Site One the other day, so I picked up a couple of bags of it. So let's see if this stuff actually works. It's silly, I know, because this is just a lawn and it's like makeup. We're like trying to make it, you know, look better for the time being. But I'm so interested in this. I think it looks better. Let's try it over here in some other spots. It's really dry. It's not wet at all. I mean, you could spread this with a spreader. I think it definitely looks better. I don't know if it shows up on camera that well, but definitely tones it down some. It's like makeup. It's crazy that we go to this extreme to make our yards look good, or embarrassed that someone may think that you're not treating the lawn right if it looks bad. Yeah, I think that looks better. Oh well, can't hurt. This sand is not cheap. It's like 12 bucks per bag. I bought 3 bags. Like I said, the extreme we will go to try to make our yards look good and not be embarrassed. Super dry sand though. Somehow they've dyed this, I guess. Must be used on golf courses. But I've never seen it on a golf course. They always just had regular sand. Now I did take a pitchfork and stab these and kind of aerate this area, hoping to kind of get it going and jump start, because I want it to recover as soon as possible, obviously. So we'll see how that helps. But overall, it looks better. Obviously it's not going to fix it, but it looks better. And this did come from the Site 1 landscape supply. I think it would look better and hide it better if I would have cut all these little gray stalks down. That's kind of making it stand out too. Now, I may end up just plugging this. I have plenty of good grass all over this property that I can take and move up here. So if it doesn't recover quick enough, that's what I'll do. It's cool though, never seen this before. See, and this is the white sand. Definitely hides it better. Well, there you have it.